I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. Today I'm going to make a skirt steak salad bowl. For this recipe you will need a tortilla, salt, pepper, cilantro, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, cheddar cheese, salsa, tomato, cucumber, lettuce, green bell pepper, and skirt steak. First you have to marinate your steak. First, with 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. Now that all the ingredients are in the bowl, we gotta mix it. Now you're going to take 2 teaspoons of oil and put it into a frying pan. I prefer a cast iron pan because it retains heat very well. And now we're going to put our skirt steak into the pan. While this is cooking, we're going to make our tortilla shell. To make the bowl, you're going to take a tortilla, put it on the underside of a bowl, and push on it. Now you're going to want to put it in the oven. You're going to want to cook your skirt steak for about 4 minutes on each side. Now that I've taken my steak out of the pan, I have to let it rest for at least 2 minutes. The reason I have to let it rest is so that it becomes juicy. While my steaks are resting, I'm going to go check on my tortilla bowl. You're going to want to wait until the tortilla bowl turns a little brown so it retains its shape. While I wait for my chip bowl, I'm going to start cutting my steak. Once my tortilla bowl turns a little brown, I'm going to want to take it out of the oven. Look at this tortilla bowl, all nice and golden brown. So now I'm going to put my toppings in it. First, lettuce. Next, steak. After that, we're going to put some cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers, cheese, cilantro, and then a little bit of salsa. I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. If I can make a skirt steak salad bowl, so can you. Time to eat. I'm hungry.